Acura's MDX luxury SUV is transformed for 2022, thanks to a new model that's sleek, sporty, and refined. The three-row SUV also grows larger and roomier, although a new design reminiscent of Acura's TLX sports sedan makes it look agile and modern. The interior of the MDX A-Spec I tested featured aluminum accents, open-pore wood, and Milano leather. I prefer a touchscreen to Acura's touchpad, but the addition of Amazon's Alexa digital assistant for navigation and other functions is an improvement.
Alexa, directions to 160 West 4th Street, Detroit, Michigan.
Okay, getting directions.
The middle row of seats is roomy, and while the third row has more space than the previous MDX, it's still best suited for small children. Power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 mated to a quick-shifting 10-speed automatic. The MDX competes with three-row SUVs like the Cadillac XT6 and Lexus RX. MDX prices are competitive. This is Detroit Free Press auto critic Mark Phelan reporting.